Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading. This is Thursday's market, December 13th, and a few signals, turning points here from the pre-market as the approaches just after the open. This in here is the first, I think, tradable signal that's worth entering. You can see it's right in here, and we do get a second signal a few minutes later. The momentum of the market here is down, so even though this looks like it's showing this here, I'd be skipping this trade in here. The method would say to skip it and take the downside. If you took this little area right here, that would have actually just been fine as well. That would have probably put you in here, and 1, 2, 3. There's 3 ticks against you before then it comes back, but actually the better trade is on the other side of that over here. So the market gets a chance to set up a little bit better. So here's short here, just close to around 7 o'clock, and this area down here would have been a first trade to target. This was really pretty clearly identified in the middle to higher time frame for us, so that could have been a nice area to trade down into and cover into that weakness. As market pauses a little bit here, it moves sideways. This would have been the first potential entry, and I may have skipped the first one. I may have wanted to wait and see how the market reacted to this bottoming phase in here. So this area in here would have been fine. I believe I would have entered here and or over here, just based on the indicator below. But the method is really not designed to. It's not designed around the indicator. It's designed around its own self, and it has its own sets of rules and methodology. These indicators that I have here set up are just consistent with it. It's just kind of pretty, I don't know, it's pretty amazing. That's all I could say. These are potential areas I might have come in at. They don't correspond with the signal below, but I may have entered into these little areas towards a trade to target to the top side. So there was a nice trade to target on the bottom, and one also here up at the top. This became pretty obvious after this push in here. So this would have been a nice entry here and a nice finishing touch right there towards the top. As the market sets itself up for a reversal, it takes place right there. Indicator points it out, but the method would also claim it's right in that turning point right there. You can see, and there's enough time to get in there for that short. It's pretty timely, just as this is right here. That's actually a good entry right there as well. So both of those good for 1-point trades. If you get a market that if it's trending much more and you've got a visual on a trade to target, you can definitely stay for more. This, had I been trading just a little bit earlier, I'm pretty sure I would have seen this, and this entry here would have, I would have liked to have think I would have covered right into this small trade to target area. It's just a short-term area where prices are likely to bounce, and they do, and upon finishing that bounce, they're resuming their downtrend towards another small trade to target, which would have been right here. So that was my first trade of the day, and a bounce. Could have traded that as a counter trend, but try not to do that. I'd rather stay with the dominant trend. There's definitely more room to that than going counter trend for a few ticks. But anyway, I was just trading for a few points today. This was 1.5 points in here. I could have traded this short. Didn't see. I wanted to see something happen, but that didn't happen. I just basically let this go. So also I waited for this initial push up. Didn't take anything until I seen what I wanted to see, and when I saw that, that's where I entered right here. Method would have told me that at this point the path was to the upside. Both of those trades I took very little heat, and actually kind of happy about that. It's really what I like to do is like to get the market not coming against me, and the more I can do that, the better I can do that, the better I'm gonna do with the trade. So that was the day. Thanks for tuning in. Vince, Sniper Day Trading.